Hello everyone, welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club, where you get to learn how to earn sweatlessly. Now there is this new airdrop that is making waves right now in the crypto space, and it's called Delta. So in this video I'm going to be showing you very quickly how to get yourself registered, and then how to how to start mining. So without much ado, let's get right in. The first things first is for you to click on the link. Now the link for this particular airdrop is going to be dropped, is actually at the description section below this video, right? So if you are also in the group, it's also going to be there in the group, the Easy Earners Club group, both the Telegram and the WhatsApp group. So if you have yet to join our group, so go to the description section and join the group, right? So join the WhatsApp or Telegram group, as the case may be, and you can also get the link to register yourself in the Delta airdrop, for the Delta airdrop. So also at the description section below this video. So if you have iPhone, if you're an iPhone user, you want to click on this app, download on Apple Store. But if you are an Android user, you want to click on Android APK. So I'll go for Android APK to install my to download the app. So I'll click on it, then I'll click on download anyway, right? Download. I can just go ahead and click on the details so I can see how far it is going, right? So this is it right here. This is it right here. So let it just download. It's finished downloading. So what you want to do is just to tap on it. So you tap on it and then you click on the install button right here and let it install. All right, it has finished installing. Then you want to click on open. All right, we are here now. What you want to do is to select your country or region. So I'm from Nigeria, proudly Nigeria. Let's quickly look for my country. So this is my beautiful country right here, Nigeria, right? Nigeria. So I click on it. So you have to put in your number. Now you can either use text message or WhatsApp to verify this phone number, or to verify it, to register this account. So in my opinion, I advise that you use your WhatsApp account, so that you won't have to use SMS, because if you use SMS, you are going to be charged. So it's best you put in your WhatsApp number, and after you've put in your WhatsApp, if you don't have WhatsApp, just register WhatsApp. It's very easy and straightforward. Okay, so put in your WhatsApp number right here, and when you are done, then you come and then click on next. So I'm going to be putting my WhatsApp number straight away. So next thing is you are going to put in the referral code right here. So the referral code is also going to be at the description section below this video. You can easily get it and post it there, and then you put in your nickname. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So when you are done putting all the information, I've put in my referral code and my nickname. What you want to do is to click on next. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to click on DSMS verification. So just go ahead and click on it, and then the next thing you want to do is just go ahead and click on get, right? So get. So you click on global. Let's go for global. Definitely I want to go with Britain, Great Britain, of course. So I'm going to click on this. Click on next step. Okay, you've click on Great Britain. Next thing is to click on next step. So we click on it. This is very important. If you leave it at SMS, they are going to be charged for SMS. All right, so what you want to do is to click on change it to WhatsApp. Okay, so change it to WhatsApp. Tap on it. So guys, I've been trying to use my WhatsApp to do this verification of a thing, but it's not going through. So I guess let me just go back and do it all over again. I go back again and then click on next step. Let me choose a different country, maybe. Okay, I'll click on this again, click on get. I click on global universal. Okay, this time around let me click on Hong Kong. This is Hong Kong here, so let me click on Hong Kong, click on next step. So I copied this on the message and then click on WhatsApp. Hopefully, so that is how to solve that issue for those of you that may be having an issue. So you don't use Britain anymore. Hong Kong is better. They also speak English there too, though it's a Chinese province or something. I think they were colonized by Great Britain too or something like that. So click on that icon right there that looks like an aeroplane, like looks like a telegram this thing. Click on it, then click on confirm. Click on confirm. So it's taking us to our WhatsApp. Right, so we are here. What you want to do is to send the message. Okay, so click the send button and then let it deliver. So it has delivered. Then you go back, click on I have sent verification string, next step. So just click on the icon right there and then confirm. Click on confirm. All you need to do is tap to start mining, just like you do in your Pi every 24 hours in your Pi or call Satoshi. So just click on it and then you click on mine. So as you can see, I'm already mining, and that is how to go about it, guys. So make sure you share this video and join quickly. You can see the number of persons here is just over 100,000, so you are still very early. So the link to this airdrop will be at the description section below, and it will also be in our WhatsApp and Telegram group. So you can also join our WhatsApp and Telegram group so that you can get quick updates, right? And then subscribe to this YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell so that as soon as a video drops, you'll be the first to know. Okay, if you have any question or whatever you want to say, so just place it on the comment section and I'll be there to reply you, right? So take care, guys. This is the Easy Earners Club. Bye.